This is a really easy yogurt to make. This is the yogurt maker we use, and it comes with 2 quart-sized jars with lids. They have little jars you can get too, but we prefer the quart-sized ones. So you'll need your mixing bowl, some milk, Probiotic inulin, as well as Lactobacillus reuteri. You'll need a measuring cup to measure out 5 1/3 cups of milk. You'll take 1 tablet from your Lactobacillus reuteri and 2 tablespoons of your Probiotic inulin. And stir, stir, stir. I like to do 3 cups of milk first, stir the inulin and Lactobacillus reuteri, and then add the rest of the milk and stir, stir, stir. Now you're going to gently pour your mixture into each of your quart-sized containers, or your little containers if you're using those instead. You can use a spatula at the end to get out the remainings. Put your lids on, stick it in the yogurt maker. Then you're going to take some water and you're going to fill up the yogurt maker just to the line of the yogurt in each jar. Now put your lid on your yogurt maker. Press the temperature button 1 time. It should say 99 degrees. Then you're going to press the start button twice and wait 36 hours for your yummy, healthy yogurt to be done. Now, it won't be super thick the first time. It will have liquid in it. Just put it in the fridge, let it chill, and then you can get your yogurt out and separate it from the liquid. Now, if you want to make a thicker batch, stick around. All right, ready to make a thicker batch number 2? You're just going to take 2 tablespoons of your already made yogurt, and you're going to add them to your new mixture instead of the Lactobacillus reuteri. So you won't be using Lactobacillus reuteri in this batch. You'll just add 2 tablespoons of inulin, 5 1/3 cups of milk, and then of course your 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Stir, stir, stir. Pour it in your jars and put the lids on. Place the jars in your yogurt maker. Fill your yogurt maker with water to the line of yogurt inside of your jars. Cover it with a lid. Press that temperature button 1 time. It should say 99 degrees. And then you'll push the start button twice and let your yogurt do its thing for 36 hours. This next batch is definitely going to be a little bit thicker. And the more times you repeat this process using 2 tablespoons of your yogurt instead of Lactobacillus reuteri, the thicker your yogurt will get. You can do this for up to 4 to 5 batches before you need to start over and use your Lactobacillus reuteri again. And repeat the process 4 to 5 times. And we just love it. We love being able to have this homemade yogurt. We actually enjoy putting it in a prebiotic drink. So we'll add it with some milk or juice, throw in some blueberries, and it really has been a huge blessing. We hope this video helps you and that your gut enjoys it, and that you just have a long, full, healthy, blessed life. God bless. Peace.